Hi guys, this is ice cold, not ice cold, this is a Acaan by Dani Diortiz. This is what this is going to be about, okay? Okay, welcome to my channel if you haven't already. Hopefully you enjoyed. I do not like to do self-promoting because I think that's awful. I don't like to do self-promoting at all, okay? And that's what it's going to be, okay? We're going to set down a random couple of cards on the table, okay? But first, we'll give the deck to the spectator to do their little shuffling. So, when they're done shuffling, we'll begin the trick, okay? So, now they're done shuffling, okay? So, you don't have to take the cards. We're actually going to be shuffling. We're actually going to be mixing up the cards. We want a couple cards on cards around, like, on the table at sometimes, okay? Like this, okay? We got some cards on the table. We can get the cards on shuffles, and you'll actually see why we need cards on the table. We just want to make it like a little bit easier, just to make it not a mess, and stuff like that. We'll even get the cards a quick cut to make it even more randomization or an extra card to add, because like why not? So I would ask the spectator to say which pile they would want to select the card from, okay? Pretend they select this pile right here. I say, wait, no. We want to make it more randomization, so let's select from this pile. They select any card they want to. I'm looking away, make sure I'm looking away. And I would ask them to place their card. Did you see that? Yeah. I would place their card right here, and well, you want to make it even more crazier like this, okay? We want to make them a mess, okay? I want to sort of get a sense of what their card is. So we're going to be doing, I'm going to try something for their card real quick. Is it actually hard? I don't think it would be this hard to just guess what a card is. Oh, okay. We'll make it better, okay? How about I have you name any number between 1 and 52, but we're gonna be counting for a lot, and we don't want it too big of a number, okay? So how about we just say, how about between 1 and 20, okay? But we want to make it a high number, okay? So pretend they said 19, okay? It could be random. They can change a card. I would say pick up the deck. They pick up the deck and I say deal 19 cards face up. They would deal this themselves. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The King of Hearts, and all these other cards are normal, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. And here's the tutorial for this wonderful effect. So grab a deck of cards and come along and have some fun with us, okay? So this deck can be a borrowed deck of cards. Just make sure the cards get shuffled though, okay? And just to prove that it can be done with any deck of cards, we'll actually use a different deck of cards for this, okay? How about we use no, just keep the deck, okay? So when they're done shuffling the cards, you're going to find a way to deal exactly 18 cards on the table. And I'm going to teach you how to do that. This is how I do it, okay? I start off by taking 3 cards and placing it on the table like this. I mix up the cards. I'm doing this, by the way. So I say 3 cards. I don't say that out loud. And then next I take 2 cards. Do more mixing. I take 3 cards. And then 2 cards. Now you're already at 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? But you're not there yet, okay? So you need to take, I do more shuffles. I take 3. And then I take 2. Now you're at 15. And I take 2. And I usually get the card to cut. And I'll take one more. You're probably wondering, why don't you just take an extra 3? You'll see, if the spectator catches onto your 2-3 pattern, they might call you out for that, okay? But it's just a better way to disguise it, okay? So when you're done with that, you're going to ask them if they want to choose from selecting from this packet or selecting from this packet, okay? And this is how you do that, okay? You say, pretend we're going to do this scenario where they select from this packet first, okay? You're going to say, select from this packet. They select any card. They select this card right here. Pretend they look at this card. For the throw, we'll take a look at it. The 4 clubs. They're going to say, place on top of this pile right here. They do that. And you just mix these cards up, throwing the cards on top of it. Now, when you do this, you didn't notice in the tutorial, but their card is 19 from the bottom. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 4 clubs. They're going to act like you're going to get a sense of their card. Okay? And you're basically just going to drop cards like this. You're going to get drop cards like this, trying to get a sense. This is all just acting, by the way. Okay? So when you're done, when you get to where you think 19 is, you're going to start by doing this one at a time. Okay? So you're going to be doing this when you get close to 19, like right before their card. Or you flick her right before their card. And you're going to keep doing this until you know you pass 19 cards. Like I already know I have less than 19 cards now. Now you can go back to shuffling and dropping down more than 1 card at a time. Okay? This. And then this is when the Acaan gets happening, okay? So, like, right now, their card is 19 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The 4 of clubs, okay? So, you're going to ask them to name a number between 1 and 52, and you're going to say, we're going to be doing for a while, so how about we just don't go that high, but we want it to be more impossible, so let's make it a little higher. I'll just set a boundary between 1 and 20. So you have to set a boundary between 1 and 20. Just find any excuse to do that. And just have to make sure you say you want it to be a high number, though. You want to be between, like, 20 and 15, but you just want to say 1 and 20. And just say you want to be a high number, okay? So this is how that's going to work, okay? If they say 19, you're completely queen. You say, take the deck, deal 19 cards face up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 4 clubs. If they don't say 19, if they say a card more than 19, if they say 20, you're actually going to, from the back, you're going to do a pinky pull down from the back, from the bottom like this. You're going to do a pinky pull down on this bottom card as you're talking. This is what it'll look like, okay? The cards on the table, and this is what it'll look like. That's it. Okay? I already got my break. And what you're going to do, you're going to do a turnover pass. So it's something like this. I'm going to make it exposed view, okay? So, in real performance, it would look something like this at full speed, okay? Ready? It looks like this, but you're basically just adding a card on top, okay? So I just added this 2 of club on top of the deck, okay? Now, I'm not in the practical view for this, for the turnover pass right now. So you're probably seeing what I'm doing, okay? But if they say 20, you riffle off 1 from the back, and you're just going to do a turnover pass. Like this, and just give that card up front, okay? And then once you're done with that, you say that you could have selected any one of these cards, turn over to the packet, and just give them the cards, and then they can deal face up, okay? Like that, okay? Now, if they say something less than 20, this is what you're going to do. You're going to turn over the packet, and you're going to say you could have selected any one of these cards. Square up the deck, and you're going to riffle off the 9 minus the number you did, okay? So if they said 15, you're going to say do 9 minus 5, which equals 4. So you're going to riffle off 4 cards from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a break underneath those 4 cards, and do a turnover, and then do a turnover pass, and give the deck for them. What's the deal? So they said 15, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? That's how that works, okay? Now you're probably getting to the point. What if they say what did they say you want to select from the 18 cards on the table? Okay? We'll get into that now. So, welcome, welcome back. Now, if they say they want to select the card from the 18th card, you will have them select the card. They look at it. For example, the Ace of Hearts in this example. You're gonna take this pile with a big deck, right? You're gonna set this deck down and then just fan them out the cards just so they can select it. You're gonna give them an example to how they're gonna select the card down. Okay? For the Ace of Hearts, you're gonna say, we're gonna put the card down. I'm gonna show you how. So when they're looking at the card, they would look at the card and I'll say, I want you to put the card down like this. And then they follow along. They put their card down. Then you mix up the cards, do whatever you want right here, and the whole entire trick is the same. The card is 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The ace of hearts. Okay? Now, hopefully you guys enjoyed that lovely tutorial. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe, even though I hate self-promoting and I probably shouldn't do that, okay? And hopefully you guys have a great day. Enjoy.